Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel. The video explains how to check call history on Snapchat step by step. So, let's get started. Open the Snapchat app and tap your profile icon, top left corner, to access your profile page. Tap the Settings gear icon in the top right corner to open account settings. Scroll down and find the My Data option. This is where Snapchat stores downloadable account information. Tap My Data and look for the Call History Related option in the list. Select it, scroll down and tap Next to continue the process. Enter and confirm your email address where the data will be sent. Submit the request. Snapchat will process it and send your data export via email, which includes call history. You must wait for the email. Call history isn't instantly visible inside the app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and press the bell icon for more quick tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.